Under the initiative of Karbi Student Association Longlit Hat Brunch, a cleanliness program was arranged on 17 July. As Karbi Anglong is also badly affected with the prevailing heat waves across the nation, the citizens of Karbi Anglong love spending quality time with their family, friends and their loved ones along the riversides to tackle this scorching heat. One such most lovable riverside picnic spot in Karbi Anglong is Longsokangthu Riverside Picnic Spot, located just few kilometers away from Longlit Market. But due to excessive number of visitors and least maintenance from the management, the perimeter of river could be seen contaminated with plastics, wrappers, water bottles, broken beer bottles, cans, etc., endangering the life of aquatic species, the lives of the neighboring villagers, as well as the visitors. Karbi Students Association Longlit Hat Brunch, considering the fact, took into their account and initiated the cleanliness drive along the riverside of Longsokangthu picnic spot on Sunday. Karbi Students Association Longlit Hat Brunch appeals to visitors as well as the citizens of Karbi Anglong to not litter the riverbanks, as they had witnessed many visitors who smashed beer glass bottles for their amusement right after consuming it. Such activities should be avoided.
Pen Halloween kapre along pen kevangatum bong sisa la hor na kijun na son si dool la dak lang na chinglu pen la si pinaabong sisa kang hang na son dool lang rolong stami wartu son teglong la pen litum dak tibok teraya rong radatum sung ipiglo temane komane asomartum sisa sakak komane atum lang chinglu mala tong ak la son dool la si suning rilo kebang langar ni nalitum pini pen bangke la bong kevan pela dak horna kijun la hai bangke ington nang po la dak alom ke pang thira bang ven nalitum wang po la dak bong sisa pang hang po lang rolong barkang chuditi la dak bangke nilitum tibok teraya rong aratum kasik sak tepiglo.
They also appealed the visitors to leave the site by 5 p.m., failing which Karbi Students Association Longlit Hat Brunch would be compelled to take necessary action against it.
Dong si ladak patoy ti ploten nitum KSA Longlit Hat Brunch pestamik sudah kansa pipo ani kansam nalitum lang lena chinglu chodi la or hai van be pusami nalitum wang tami lang chinglu ri kun litum na pun edet ta hai mine stami nalitum ani kansam baji popena par dak do de na ko baji popena akeli jonsi la do ko ladak do ko ploten litum ahin pen insa kon depo.
News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.